New tonight, we are hearing from one of the plaintiffs named in the 10 Commandments case. News 2's Sarah Gray Barr has more.
The law signed requires all public schools to display 4 documents, one being the 10 Commandments. Reverend Darcy Roque is a mother. She's also a Unitarian Universalist minister. She and her husband are named in the case.
We feel that religious education is very important for us as parents to do to help guide our children within a context of our home.
The plaintiffs are seeking an injunction to stop these posters from being put up, saying children will be irrevocably injured and it goes against their First Amendment right.
Neither my husband nor I follow that particular role of the 10 Commandments. In addition, without context, there's a lot of questions that may be asked that teachers themselves may not be able to answer.
Another concern in the hearing, the expert testimony. Steve Green is a professor at Willamette University and a historian and expert in constitutional law and American religious history. He put together a report for the plaintiffs analyzing the different documents set forth in the legislation.
The true expert on the history of this country, of religion, and how it intermixes with this country. And we're pleased he was able to testify and pleased the judge was attentive to his testimony.
The defense wanted Green's testimony excluded, citing concern for bias. Green served as special counsel for Americans United, a group focused on First Amendment issues.
This was being presented as an evidentiary expert. He obviously wasn't alive at the time that these things happened. His testimony was admittedly subjective. The conclusions that he drew from the research that he's done was admittedly subjective.
The AG says since the posters aren't up, the case is premature. The plaintiffs argue there's no need to harm children in order to bring a case about. And Roque herself said the law violates her right as a parent.
I think it matters what we see every day. It matters to me what my children see every day, and that is why I want that separation. That is for my husband and I to have discussions with them, not the school system.
Sarah Gray Barr reporting the law requires these posters be up by January 1st of 2025. The judge in this case said that he will have his decision on or before November the 15th.